Because it offers both the luxuries that have been synonymous with a high-end residence and exceptional performance, it is a true symbol of luxury travel. A superb illustration of luxury travel is the 2026 Prevost Motorhome. This provides a thorough and comprehensive picture of the luxury travel industry. This year's model, which is already renowned for its dependability and workmanship, takes innovation and refinement to a new level beyond what was seen in earlier models. A performance took place. The next-generation turbo diesel engine in the center of the 2026 Prevost powers the vehicle. This engine is a great choice for the car since it can deliver a significant level of torque while still using a lot of fuel for long-distance driving. The ride is perfectly stable and smooth, even on routes that are challenging to navigate. The innovative chassis design and the adjustable suspension enable this. When it comes to handling, the Prevost is an ideal vehicle for traversing snow-covered mountains or highways. Regardless matter the terrain you are traveling over, this is true, creating a calm and cozy interior. The spacious and well-equipped interior of this recreational vehicle is one of its most noticeable features. One of the car's most noteworthy aspects is unquestionably this: luxurious leather couches, a massive entertainment system, and numerous other conveniences are among the amenities offered in the living area. High-end materials like brushed metal and real wood are used to furnish the living room. Being able to use this room for relaxing or entertaining visitors while traveling is the best use of it. The bedroom is a quiet, private place to rest that is designed to offer the maximum amount of comfort and relaxation. It has a queen-size bed with a memory foam mattress, gentle lighting, and smart climate control. Every single one of these functionalities is provided. The bathroom. The full-size bathroom has been thoughtfully created to give the impression that it is a high-end hotel suite. Its design incorporates high-end fixtures, a modern rainfall shower, and visually appealing finishes. Considering that conclusion, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is the ideal example of how the qualities of strength, style, and the ability to enjoy life's little pleasures can all be merged together. This is a fantastic choice for those who want to enjoy the independence of the open road, without compromising on comfort or sophistication in their travel companionship. For those looking for a motorhome that offers both luxury and adventure, this is a great option to think about.